Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 24 and our topic is find out. So now let's learn about our topic. What is find out? So why do I need them? So, fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and photochemicals. So, fruits and vitamins are full of fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and photochemicals. So, what are those? So, substances that help you to grow, heal when you get hurt, keep your skin, eye, and heart and digestive system healthy. So, it is a fruit and vegetables and have a energy. So fruits and vegetables give us vitamin, minerals, energy, and we all become healthy to help of food and vegetables. So here are we see some red fruits and vegetables. So here are the red fruit and vegetables, and it has full of vitamin A. So it's keep your eyes healthy. Vitamin A keep your eyes healthy, and vitamin C. So vitamin C help heal cuts and wonder and keeps germs and teeth healthy. So vitamin C help and keep your germs avoid and teeth healthy. So here we can see in a lycopene in tomatoes protects the cell of tour body, and potassium protects your heart and blood vessels. So here we can see a red fruits and red vegetables. So you all and we all have eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, now next orange and yellow. So here we can see orange and yellow vegetables and fruits. So these are full of folic acid. This help your body make red blood cell and DNA. Then vitamin A. So vitamin A keeps your eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin A keeps your eyes and skin healthy. Then vitamin C, it helps heal cuts and wounds, the keep germs and teeth healthy. And then fiber. So fiber gives us a good for your heart and intensities. So orange and yellow fruits and vegetables are also help us to your body healthy. Okay, now next green. So here we can see green vegetables. So full of vitamin E. In a vitamin E, it protects the cell of your body. Then iron help your body cells and carry oxygen, and vitamin B, so it's help your body make energy is needed for a healthy brain. And folic acid, so it's help your body make a red blood cell and DNA, and also a calcium, so it builds strong bonds, and also we have a green green vegetables, so give us vitamins A and vitamin C. So childrens, you all are understand that red, yellow and green, and now next blue and purple. So it's here we can see a photograph of blue and purple vegetables and fruits. So it's give us a antho means protect the cells of your body. Then give us a vitamin C. So it helps cuts and wounds heal and keep germs and teeth healthy. Then fiber. So it's good for your heart and intestines. So, blue and purple vegetables and fruits are also give us many types of vitamin. So, how much do you I need and also you need? So, it's the US Department of Agriculture recommended that kids get at last 5 cups of fruits and vegetable each day. So what counts as a cup? So think of a size of a basketball, and 12 small carrots, 8 large strawberries, and 1 medium potato. So these are contains as a cup. So US Department of Agriculture recommended that kids get at least 5 cups of fruits and vegetable each day. So children's, how do you and I eat them? So here we can see also a rainbow color vegetables and fruits. So how do we eat them? So it's a raw vegetable, make a great snack, dip them in yogurt, peanut butter or low fat dressing for even more flavor, and drink 100% of fruit juice instead of soda. Then add slides fruits to your uh, cereal or oatmeal, and add vegetables to your pizza, sandwich, soup and pasta, and make a fruit salad. So it helps your parents pick out a new fruits and vegetables at the grocery store and then make them at home. So vegetables can be steamed, cooked and oven in the microwave or on the barbecue, and editing spices, herbs and sesses and gives them even more flavor. So childrens, we all are need to eat vegetables and fruits. Okay, now next number first, carrot. So its spelling is CARROT, carrot. So here we can see a photograph of carrot. CARROT, carrot. So carrots are full of vitamins. Carrots are full of vitamins and minerals and fiber. Carrots are full of vitamin, minerals and fibers that are good for your health. But eating too much carrots can bring in too much beta carotene, the molecules responsible for carrots. So bright orange UN pressure of vitamin A. This can lead to excess blood carotene, which can discolor the skin. So, carrots give us a full of vitamins, minerals, and fibers, and that are good for your health. So, children, you all are eat carrot and all the vegetables. Okay, now next, what is this? So it's a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Spelling is B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. So bananas contains around 70% of water, and bananas can float in a water. So bananas contain around 70% water, and bananas can float in water, and they contains potassium and are also a high in a carbohydrate and sugar. So banana can float in water, and they contains potassium and are also a high in carbohydrate and sugar, and there are over 100 different types of bananas available, and some health express the degrees on the nutritional benefits of bananas. So bananas give us potassium and carbohydrate and sugar, and also health nutrients, and mostly banana make your body healthy. So children, you all are eat bananas. Okay, now next, tomato. Tomato. Spelling is Tomato. Tomato. So tomatoes are loaded with a substance called a lycopene, and it gives them their bright red color and help protect them from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and in much the same way it can help and protect your cells from damage. And tomatoes also have a potassium, vitamin B and E, and other nutrients. So tomatoes have vitamin B and vitamin E and also other nutrients, and tomatoes have a potassium. So childrens, we all need tomatoes to our body healthy. So now we are going to learn our next slide, and it's a pear. 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 So here we can see a photograph of pear. 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 So pear provides vitamin C. Pear provides vitamin C, fiber, and are cholesterol and fat free. So pears provide vitamin C, fiber, and are cholesterol and fat free. The more fruits and vegetables in children's diet, and the stronger they will grow. So vitamin C help to children's build strong and muscles, blood vessels, bones, and teeth. So fiber help to keep your child regular and prevent blood sugar spikes. So pear provides a vitamin C and fiber and cholesterol and fat free. So childrens, you all are eat more and more vegetables and fruits. Okay, now apple. So we all time favorite apple, and spelling is APPLE, apple. A for apple. So apple. An apple is a type of a fruit. So an apple is a type of a fruit that grown on an apple tree. An apple is a type of fruit grown on apple tree, and it is called a promiscuous fruits because the plants that it grow on flowers, and the flowers on an apple tree are pink or white, and most apple are ready to be harvested in autumn. So apple is a type of a fruits and give us nutrients and also our body healthy, and give us a vitamin C and also a sugar. So apple is a type of fruit that grown on apple tree, and it's grown on a flowers, and that the flowers on an apple tree are pink or a white. So childrens, you all are understand that apples are a very healthy fruit. So you all are eat apples. Okay, now mango. So here we can see a photograph of mango. MANGO. We all eat mango, and our favorite fruit is mango. Also, mango is a king of fruits. So it's a spelling MANGO, mango. So, mango is 1 cup of this sweet tropical fruit provides almost a whole day's supply of vitamin C, which helps keep kids and immune system running strong and keeps teeth and germs healthy. So it is also provides a 3 grams of fiber for just around 100 calories. So mango give us vitamin C and also a immune system strong, and your teeth healthy, and provides a fiber and calories. So mango are good for your health and your body strong, and give us vitamin C, and keep your teeth and gums healthy, and it's keep your teeth and gums healthy, and provides fiber and 100 calories in just around 3 gram fibers. So children, you all are understand about mango. So now we are going to learn next slide, and it's a potato. So it's a spelling POTATO, potato. So potatoes are a good source of fiber. Potatoes are a good source of fiber which can help you lose weight by keeping you full longer. So, fiber can help prevent heart disease by keeping cholesterol and blood sugar level in a check. So, potatoes are also full of antioxidants that works to prevent disease, and vitamins that help your body function properly. So potato are a source of a fiber and which can help your lose weight by keeping you full longer. So fiber can help prevent heart disease by keeping cholesterol and blood sugar level in check. So potatoes are also full of antioxidants that works to prevent disease and vitamins that help your body function properly. So children, you all are understand about potato. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's grapes. 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 So here we can see G for grapes. Its spelling is grapes. Grapes. So it's packed with nutrients, especially vitamin C and K, and high antioxidant contains may prevent chloric disease, and plant and compounds may protect against certain types of cancer. So beneficial for heart health in a various impressive ways. So may discuss blood sugar level. So grapes have vitamin C and K and high antioxidant contains, and plants compounds may protect against certain types of cancer. So children, you all are understand about grapes. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's orange. So here we can see a photograph of orange, and its spelling is Orange. 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 So there are a super source of vitamin C. Orange have a super source of vitamin C, and it's all about the potassium, and they contains soluble fibers, and they don't spike blood sugar, and they are full of flavonoids, and they are easy to eat. So they are hydrating, and they are healthier than fruit juice. So orange have a super source of vitamin C, and it's all about the potassium, and they contains soluble fiber. So that's they are easy to eat, and they are hydrating. So they are healthier than fruit juice. So orange is a most super source of vitamin C and healthier than any fruit juice. So children, you all are understand about vegetables and fruits, and you all eat vegetables and fruits because of your healthy body. So fruits and vegetables give us to healthy body and your body strong. So children, now we are going to learn exercise on it, and our unit is unit number 24, and it's find out. So the name of 10 fruits and vegetables are hidden in the puzzle. So can you find them? So one has been done for you. So here one has done for you. It's a carrot. 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 So it's done for you. And in a puzzle, we find them another name of vegetables and fruits. So here we can see a puzzle. So we here see has been done for you. It's a carrot. So now next is here we can see also a double p l e apple. So it's a number 2 or next fruits, and it's a apple. So a double p l e apple. So here are we see apple. So children, you all are right the spelling of fruits and vegetables in your book. So you all are right with me. Okay, now a carrot and apple. Then here we can see a photograph of here we can see a spelling of another uh, fruit, and it's a pear, pear, pear. So here we can see a photograph of another fruits, and it's a pear, pear, pear. Okay, very good. So now next, what is the name of another vegetable or a fruits you find? Okay, yes, it's a orange. So here we can see a spelling of orange. Orange, orange. So here we can see a spelling of orange. Very good. So we have 4 spelling. That's a carrot, apple, pear, and orange. Okay, now next here we can see tomato. Tomato, tomato. Very good. So another spelling we find, it's a tomato. Okay, now next we see here grapes, grapes. So it's another spelling, grapes, grapes, grapes. Very good. Okay, now next BANANA, banana. So it's another spelling. So it's a banana. BANANA, banana. So we have 7 spelling. Okay, now next MANGO, mango. So here we can see spelling of mango. So it's a MANGO, mango. Very good. Okay, now last. Here we see POTATO. Here we find out a spelling of potato. So it's a POTATO, potato. So here we can see a last spelling of potato. So children, you all are understand this lecture. So here also we find photographs of carrot, banana, then tomato, pear, apple, orange, grapes, potato, and mango. So these all are you all are eat vegetables and fruits because of they give us vitamins and also nutrients. So children, you all have enjoyed this lecture. Hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, stay home and stay safe, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. So thank you students. Bye bye everyone.